Domino's doesn't make my tummy sore.
Why are we talking about Domino's? We're talking about Phoenix FOTL first case.
Let's go.
42 4-boxer. Good luck, everybody. Dough with Oreos in the middle.
That does not sound
Can you
good.
make it bigger by one?
Where are we?
Screen 4. Good luck, guys. Phoenix FOTL. Good luck. Panicked. I was like, where's the FOTL?
Oh, man. I missed it.
Yeah, Pizza Hut is so there. I miss the Pizza Hut buffets. Who used to like the Pizza Hut buffets? That place was the shiznits. The Pizza Hut buffets back in the day. I don't remember how much it used to cost, but okay. First of all, okay, let's have this debate right here.
Oh,
We're gonna have this debate right here and right now. Okay.
Oh, no.
All right. First of all. Okay. Chicago deep dish pizza. Chicago deep dish pizza, first of all, is a bit overrated. I've had Lou Malnati's and I've had Giordano's. And they're both okay. I'm not really a pie kind of pizza person. Now, New York pizza, they're alright. They're okay. I mean, I don't hate it, but I don't love it, you know? So for all my New Yorkers out there, I'm not dissing or anything. It's alright, like, you know. Yeah, I'm not a deep disher. Like a lot of people told me, like, I'm from Hawaii, you know, we don't have a lot of those specialty things. But like we had this one place in Hawaii called Boston's Pizza, and their pizzas are like ginormous. They're like, you know, I don't know, 26 inches big or whatever. So I mean, I guess that's kind of equivalent to like how the New York style is, and they're pretty good. They're pretty good. It's not my cup of tea, I guess. Who put all the sauce on? Yeah, exactly. Ragnarok. Deep dish is fine, but if exactly, we're gonna have to have this argument right here, right now. We have to have this argument right here, right now. We're having it. We're having this argument. Hawaii has great sushi because it's fresh. I mean, for the most part, it's fresh. It's caught. It goes to the auction block. It's right there, and it goes straight there. Don't worry, you get. Don't worry, you appreciate thin crust. I do like thin crust, Steve. I do like thin crust. I don't love it, but I mean, if I had to choose between that or deep dish, I would go thin crust for sure. And you know, you would think you would like those stuffed crust pizzas, the one with like the cheese inside and stuff. But I mean, I love cheese, but I think it kind of kills it for me. I don't know.
Domino's puts too much cheese. Not enough sauce. Wait, no. Pizza Hut puts too much cheese.
I like the cheese though.
Not enough sauce.
I like a lot of cheese. I like it. I like it cheesy.
Cheesy.
Calzones are nice. Yeah, I like calzones. I like calzones because it reminds me of a giant pizza pocket.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is, right? Seafood.
Deep dish. Lobster. Oh, baby.
Ooh, lobster.
I'm ready. Pure One, I'm ready. Pure One, I got a good sushi spot over here in Vegas. Good happy hour. $20. All you can eat.
Yeah.
All I do is I sit down and it's pretty fun. No, you can't. You're not allowed to swipe right, Kanzler. But let me tell you, I got this. It's literally right by my house too. It's like 5 minutes from my house. $20 all you can eat sushi. And you know, they got the poo-poos, so they got like kalbi. They got chicken katsu, you know, they got all that. They got the miso soup, depending what you fancy and stuff. But like they're pretty top notch. A lot of their ahi, aka tuna, for those of you guys that don't know out there, pretty solid. And for the price, trust me, I go in there and I clean house. I clean out. Big mushroom head, oh boy. I clean house over there. That's why I love happy hour. $20, can't go wrong. No, I don't know any kind of pizza spots like that. Yeah, me, I attack. I attack anything. I know, red and gold. When you come down to Vegas, you holler at me. Let's go. I'm dead serious. Go grind some sushi. Pure One, you too. Let's go grind some sushi.
Yeah, let's do it.
Whoa. Whoa! Not the Fruit of the Looms, huh?
Oh, wow.
Oh, Kanzler, you know, anytime I'm on, it's after dark. Anytime that I'm on, we're always after dark. Good luck, guys. Phoenix FOTL. Here we go. First box. Good luck. Quickly, gets the last auto for 15. Gets the last auto in its first stack for 15. Good luck.
Good luck.
Okay. I got you, Blanket Ship. Can you refresh real quick and see? Oh, shucks. Rhino. Whoa. We did have an overpayment.
Oh, yeah.
Click on order. Copy his email. And you can give him 100 points and then go back to orders after. I'm giving you 100 points. Going back to you, Ryan. Guess the last auto in this stack, in this box right here for 15. That's going to be the second auto. Good luck. Good luck. Pickens, rookie. Derek Carr, purple for the Raiders. Malik, flamethrowers. Ojabo, our first pat. Oh, it's a gold of Tannehill. Titans with the 3-color patch autographs of Ryan Tannehill. 5 of 10 for the Titans. Doug. Our next auto will be the guess. So get your guesses in for 15. Bellinger, silver. McBride, filler. Malik, green. Malik. It's a 25. 23 of 25. Titans doing well. Fresh case right here, guys. Stingley. To 75. 3-color purple patch. It's Corral for the Panthers. Our color burst is Thornton for the Patriots. Lava. That's a very nice lava, by the way. Doug with the Falcons and Drake London lava. Drake London lava. Nice. See that this Phoenix FOTL. I'm with it. I dig it. I dig it. No more guesses after Sean, guys. No more guesses after Sean. Brees Hall, silver. Quay. DeAndre Swift, pink. Garrett Wilson. Batty. DJ Moore, red. Schultz. Wilson. Carr, silver. Melton. Hurts, pink for the Eagles. Quay, purple for the Pack. Danny Gray, Cooper. Flamethrowers of Fields are... And it's an RPA, so good luck for anybody who gets the rookie. Maybe not. Wow. 3 of 5 RPA Onyx of Isaiah Spiller. Let's see what this nastiness is going to look like. That's disgusting, though.
Wow.
2-color Onyx RPA of Spiller for the Chargers. P.S. Kim. That's a monster, and that's a thickie. That's a thickie. Spiller to 5.
That's a thickie.
That was box 1. Anybody get Spiller? Box 2. Good luck. Whittemeyer. Ooh. Yellow of Pickens for the Steelers. Yellow. It's the 75. First auto is Jerome Ford, rookie auto for the Browns. Jelani Woods, silver. Thornton. Red of Pickett for the Steelers. To 149, jumbo patch of Dotson for the Commanders. Goddard, color burst. Austin, purple of Hamilton. Lava is Najee. Ayuk pink. Luis Seen. To 25. That's disgusting though. 3-color RPA of Corral for the Panthers and Josh. That's a sick Corral. Let's see, Josh for the Panthers. Carolina.
Yes, Josh.
That's a sick hit. Kyler Silver. Bell. There's another spiller. Excuse me. Another spiller. Williams. Sky Moore. Red Mojo of Sky Moore. 8 of 10 for the Chiefs. Dolchich. Stallback. Silver of Pickett. Howell. Rashad White for the Bucks. Purple. And Josh Allen contour silver. We're at the halfway point, guys.
How many?
Oh no, I'm fumbling. Don't fumble. Be nice. Good luck. Box 3. Zamir. Lava of Roquan Smith. Pickett silver. Brady red for the Bucks. Brady. Jerome Ford. Winston. /99. London. Ooh, this looks like a good one. To 25, it's Romeo Dobbs, 2-color RPA for the Pack. I can't read. Nice hit on Green Bay. Phoenix is exciting. Red and gold says. Absolutely red and gold. Ferguson. Quay orange. Another Pickens. Brady for the Patriots there. Ojabo. Debo green. McBride, purple of Ford for the Browns. Come on. Alec Pierce, teal for the Colts. Sky Moore. Whoops, that ruined it. Robinson, the 25, orange for the Commanders. Commanders doing very well. And we got WWE next. Keontae. Brady, purple for the Bucks. 2 of 149 is Watson. Jumbo patch for the Pack. Saquon, color burst. Last box, Mojo. Yeah, sorry guys, I had to get this off. Yeah, we'll be on WWE next. Don't worry, I had to get this off from earlier. Tolbert. Calvin Austin teal for the Steelers. Davis. Stingley pink. Drake London silver. Zonovan Knight for the Jets. Rookie auto. Velus Jones silver. Manning for the Broncos, Fireforged. 10 of 10, Dual RPA dual RPA. Dual patch. James Cook for the Bills. James Cook pairing. 10 of 10 on the James Cook. Shaq Leonard red. Hot routes of Burks. Mechie. Corral. Mojo out of 10. 10 of 10 on the Corral. Carolina just absolutely did work. Josh, you did work. Josh, you did work. Malik Silver. Johnson. Jameson Williams. Purple for the Lions. You guys are wild tonight. I love it. Dolchich. Ayuk purple for the Niners. Howell. Ooh. I like these triple patches a lot, by the way. 14 of 35. Terry Bradshaw, Ben Roethlisberger, and Kenny Pickett. Try patches. Obviously, I wish that was an auto, but that's a super nice card for the Steelers. Ojabo color burst for the Ravens. Wiedemeyer, Russ Wilson for the Broncos country.
That's right.
Let's ride. Pierce, Aaron Jones, pink is how we end it. All right, so we didn't do super great. But on a better note, we didn't do bad. All right, let's recap. And we'll get into WWE. What is this? Oh. All right, let's recap it and we'll get right back into it.
I was looking at top loaders for these ones.
Yeah, let's go. Oops. You're gonna need this one for that.
I was looking for
Sorry, no, I know.
a bigger one.
Got you.
There you go.
Here's your rookies. Guys, WWE is next. Take your contenders full case. Take your fours. Full case is 48. And the 4, I think, is number 49. I don't remember. Green 2.
43.
43.
Contenders.
All right, and your autos and patches coming up. That's a sick triple patch for the Steelers. Spiller to 5. Cook, Dobbs, Corral. Here's your other rookie autos. Corral and Pickens being the best rookie parallels. That's the break, guys. Thank you.